How to sign out of PlayStation on all devices. If you're worried about someone accessing your PlayStation account or just want to log out of all devices, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of PSN on all devices at once using a quick and easy method. So let's get started. From your PS4 main menu, select Settings, then select Account Management tab. Then choose Sign Out. This will remove your account from the currently device that you are using. Now let's remove your account from other devices as well. This method will remove all the existing data about the user from your PS4. Just open the settings menu on your PS4 and select Login Settings from the list. Select User Management and a list of signed-in accounts will be displayed. Choose the desired user you would like to delete. Select Delete User to remove access to the user account. Finally, choose Delete to remove this user account from this PS4 device. And that's it. You're now logged out of all PlayStation devices.